In this video, I'll show you how to use Cash App to buy Bitcoin. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so I've been using Cash App to buy some Bitcoins lately because it's very convenient for me and accessible for a lot of reasons. So Cash App right now offers a friendly platform that allows me to invest in Bitcoin easily. So it depends really. It's a matter of preference, but for me, it's really convenient because I see it that it has an intuitive interface. So it makes me um, um, have an easier access to buy and sell my Bitcoin. All right. So Cash App also serves an all-in-one platform for both traditional banking services and cryptocurrency transactions. So how to use your Cash App to buy Bitcoins? First off, you're gonna log into your account on your mobile device. Log into your app, or if you're not comfortable, go to your website. Log in using your credentials right here. Log in, and then to purchase Bitcoin using your Cash App, all you're gonna do, guys, is simply tap the Bitcoin tab on your Cash App home screen. Then tap Buy BTC or Bitcoin. Select an amount to tap to enter a custom amount and enter your PIN and select Confirm. Purchasing Bitcoin requires that you have a balance in your Cash App, obviously, and you may also need to enter additional geographical informations, right? So you also can use custom orders here. You can use Cash App to create custom Bitcoin orders. You can also schedule a Bitcoin auto invest. And you can also have Cash App offer several orders for Bitcoin as well. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.